Have you ever seen a drink that literally explodes into pure happiness? Stay right here, because I'm about to show you how to make the ultimate melted chocolate bomb with a secret surprise inside, and trust me, once you see it melt, you'll never make plain hot chocolate again. Alright, let's dive into it. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of good quality dark chocolate or milk chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a handful of mini marshmallows, a pinch of sea salt, and hot milk for the grand finale. Now, here's where the fun begins. First, melt your chocolate chips using a double boiler or microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring every time so it doesn't burn the moment it turns glossy and smooth. You know you're ready for magic. Next, grab a silicone sphere mold. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of melted chocolate into each half and spread it evenly using the back of the spoon to coat the entire mold. Don't leave any gaps. Think of it as building the walls of your delicious chocolate fortress. Pop the molds in the freezer for 5 to 7 minutes until firm. Then gently peel the chocolate halves out. Careful, they're delicate, but oh so beautiful. Now, time for the surprise. In 1/2, drop a small spoon of cocoa powder, a little sugar, a pinch of salt, and a few mini marshmallows. Heat a plate for a few seconds. Press the rim of the empty half onto the warm plate, just enough to melt the edge, and seal it over the filled half. And there you have it, your perfect chocolate bomb. But wait, here comes the viral moment. Place your chocolate bomb in a mug. Pour hot milk right over it and watch it explode open, marshmallows floating up, chocolate melting down, and that creamy swirl turning into the most indulgent drink ever. Give it a gentle stir, take a sip, and tell me this isn't the coziest magic you've ever made. So the next time someone asks for hot chocolate, don't hand them a boring cup, drop a bomb instead. If you loved this one, hit subscribe because I've got a lot more viral kitchen magic coming your way.